Okay, time for a TarnX update. I put the thing in and it didn't come out with a clean line like it shows in the commercials, right? Like this, kind of. But so since then, I left this sitting in there and all of this evaporated and this turns out like this. So, and the room smelled like cat pee a lot. So I was trying to find out, where's this cat? No cat. But then I tried another mouthpiece, and it did this. I thought, holy crap! What the hell? The lady was right. She wasn't lying. Maybe. So here's another one. This is what's left from the evaporated stuff. I'm just putting it in there. Sit. Okay. Okay. And look. There's that line. The lady was right. They just said, they didn't say, but it's it. That's it. Ah! My skin.